Okay, so another set of problems for your shafting. Okay, on the spot tong solving natin. So let us go with these 5 more problems for part 2. Number 6. By the way, itong book na to is the Machine Elements, a review text by Anthony James Bautista. Okay, if you want to search for the book. So, number 6, a 60 millimeter diameter steel shaft is subject to a 1,800 kilonewton millimeter torque. So, di ba sabi ko laging gagawin natin siya naka-newton millimeter. Ito naka-kilonewton. So, i-multiply mo na lang 1,000 yan. Okay? You calculate the torsional deflection in degrees per meter. Let yung kanyang rigidity at 80 GPa. Okay? Basic tong number 6. Number 6. Diba, ang hinahanap natin dyan yung deflection per meter. So, ang deflection, diba, sabi ko that is Tulo Laway ni Jimbo Guapo. Okay? So, ang hinahanap ditong unit is degree per meter length. So, i-translate natin to into that. So, theta per L. That is torque over Jg. Ayan, binigay sa'yo dito is the torque. So, may diameter. As is, where is? So, theta over L. Substitute na lang natin yung value. That is 1,800 times 1,000 kasi naka-kilonewton siya. Para diretso na yung calculation natin. That is Newton millimeter. Divide by J. Our J is, I think that is 60 mm. Tama? 60 mm. So, J is the polar moment inertia ng iyong circular body. That is pi over 32. D to the fourth. That is 60 mm to the fourth. Okay? Tapos, meron tayo ditong 80 GPa. So, 80,000 kagad yun. 80,000 newtons per millimeter squared. Now, may matitira ka ditong isang mm. Kasi pag na-cancel itong mm squared, maka-cancel yung isa dito. Cancel yung isa, magiging dalawa na lang yung mm mo. Ma-cancel pa tong isa. So, may matitira kang mm dyan sa taas. So, kailangan natin is degree per meter. Pero ang lalabas dito sa torsion, deflection, di ba, radyan ng unit yan. So, all we have to do is, okay, you have millimeter to eh. So, you have 1,000 mm per 1 meter. And then, you have in degrees, 180 degrees per pi rad. Naka-radians kasi yan eh. Cancel all same units yung newtons natin. Newtons si millimeter. Wala na tayo matitirang millimeter dyan. Si radyan. Okay na yan. Tapos ang lalabas na lang is degree per meter. So our answer, the deflection per length given, is calculable using our calculator. Sana merong mag-sponsor sa atin dyan. Okay? So 1,800, pwede sa akin i-sponsor. Kahit di na si Casio, kahit si Canon na lang. 1,000. Sponsoran naman nila ako. Tagal-tagal ko nagtuturo. So, 1,000 times 180. Divide by yung pi over 32. Alam nyo, para bumilis yung pindutan nyo, practicein nyo yung calculator nyo sa ganyan. Huwag kayong mag-calculator cellphone. Wala kayong matututunan doon. Times 60, tapos 4, okay, times 80,000. Okay, tapos may pi dito sa baba. Okay? So, the answer is 1.01. 1.0132. 32 degrees per meter. Tignan nga natin kung tama naman yung sagot natin. Okay, that is basic. Basic yung mga tanungan dito. Usually, Meron mga feature problem sa board na dito kinukuha. Usually, ganun yun. So, number 7, compute for the twisting moment, yung theta. Okay? Theta tuloy, yung torque in inch-pound develop when a shaft delivers 30 HP at 1,300 RPM. Napaka-basic ng mga tanungan. Okay? Hindi ko na lang alam paano ka pababagsak kapag ganyan ang mga tanungan, di ba? So, number 7, ang kinukuha natin is torque. So, power equal to torque and over factor. Okay. Torque ang kukunin natin in inch-pound. So, torque is power times the factor divided by N. So, ulitin natin. That is 30 tapos 1,300. So, the torque is 30 HP. Pakita yung cancellation of units. The proper cancellation of units. So, 63025 pound, inch, RPM. Every HP. Okay? Over 1,300 RPM. So, cancel all same units. Cancel ito sa HP, HP, RPM. Ang matira is pound inch. And then, press it on your calculator to finally solve the problem. So, 30 times 6,302 and 5 divide by 1,300. So, the answer is 1454. That is 1454.42 pound inch. Basic ang mga tanungan na yan. Kahit baby, masasagot yan. So, next problem, number 8. A hollow shaft has an outside diameter of 5 inch and an inside diameter of 3.5 inch. Determine the diameter of the solid shaft with equal strength and torsion. Okay. May technique dyan para madali mo siyang masolve. Merong direktang formula. Okay. Pero much better if you know how to, kuwari, hindi mo siya kabisado. Okay. Sinabi dito, equal strength in torsion. Okay. So, equal strength, ano ba yung strength na sinasabi dyan? What is the shear strength of your shaft na solid? So, that is for number 8. Okay? Equal strength in torsion. So, stress natin pag solid is equal to S ng hollow. Equate natin silang dalawa. So, that is 16T over pi d cube ng solid. Okay? Equal yan sa 16T diameter of the hollow. Outside diameter ng hollow yan. Pi diameter of the hollow to the port minus diameter of the inside to the port. Okay? So, pwede nating makancel si 16. Equal naman yung torsional strength niya, 16T. Si pi. And then, all we have to do is cross-multiply. So, d s cube do equal to do to the fourth minus di to the fourth. Anong hinahanap natin? The diameter of the solid shaft. So, ito yung direkta na formula dun. Okay? So, yan yung direktang formula. Pwede ka na mag-derive eh. Madali lang din naman. Sinasabi sa board exam, kailangan kabisaduhin mo. But there are times na hindi talaga mag-sink in sa utak mo, sobrang dami ng kinakabisado mo. Pwede ka naman mag-derive. Okay? So, ang kukuhanin natin is ds. So, ds is equal to cube root. Cube root ni do to the fourth minus di to the fourth over do. So, that is cube root. Si DO is 5 inch to the fourth minus 3.5 inch to the fourth over 5 inch. So, cube na to, ang lalabas dito is inch na. So, ds is equal to, press it on your calculator. Okay. Sana mag-sponsor naman sa akin si Canon ng emulator ng calculator. Okay. Tapos, 5 raised to the fourth power minus 3.5 raised to the fourth power divided by 5. So, the answer is 4.562 inch. Try natin if mayroong sagot na nandyan. For number 8. Uy, 4.6. So, check. Tama naman number 8 natin. For number 9, ay, a 1/4 inch steel shaft transmits 28-inch pound of torque. The effective length of the shaft is 10 inch and the modulus of elasticity in shear is 11,000 psi. You find the angular deflection in degrees. Basic na naman na tanong nga. So, paulit-ulit na theta. So, number 9. Theta is equal to Tulo Laway ni Jimbo Guapo. Huwag natin pansinin si True Love Jesus God. Panglingguhan lang yun. Okay? So, torque is 28 inch-pound. And then the length, effective length niya ay, hindi ko nakita. Kapag naka-fit yan, gawin yung inch. So, 10 inch. 10 inch shafting. Divide by pi over 32. I think that is 1/4 inch. Okay, 1/4 inch yung diameter niya. Gawin na natin 0.25 inch. Raised to the fourth power, yung G is 11 times 10 raised to the 6th pounds per inch squared. So, tignan natin kung makancel lahat ng unit. Si pound, si inch squared dito sa baba, maging inch squared to, yung inch squared ulit. Wala na si 4. Ngayon, naka-radian na to. All you have to do is to multiply it with 180 degrees per pi rad. So, cancel yung radian. So, the answer for this one will be, pindutin na naman sa calculator. So, 28 times 10 times 180 divide by pi over 32. Okay, 32 times 0.25 raised to the fourth power and then multiply to parenthesis mo to, 11 times 10 raised to the 6th power. So, the answer is 11. Ang laki naman ng deflection niya. Tama ba yung sagot natin? Transmits 28 inch-pound. Length is 10. May mali kaya ako na ano. The modulus of elasticity in shear. In shear, 11, 11,000 psi. May ginawa ba akong mali? Hindi ko nalagay yung pi. Ayan. Nakalimutan ko, dapat nasa baba din siya. So, 3.8. 3.803 degrees. Tama ba yung sagot natin? Ayan, nakalimutan ko lang yung pi sa dulo. Ayan, may pi dito. Ayan. 2 pi. Okay, so the answer is 3.8. Basic yan. Number 9. Bakit nakalimutan? Kasi ang ginawa ko, yung lahat na nasa taas, yung nilagay ko sa taas, sa numerator, lahat na nasa baba nilagay ko sa denominator. Okay? So, next problem. So, a solid shaft rotates at 120 RPM and transmits a torque of 100 Newton meter. So, multiply mo ulit ng 1,000 para maging Newton millimeter squared. The allowable shear stress is 50 MPa. Now, you find the minimum diameter. Basic. Basic to. For number 10. So, for number 10, 16 ang nilagay ko. Ano ba naisip ko? Okay, number 10. So, this is, magpupunta tayo doon, mayroon siya maximum allowable shear stress. So, shear stress, pag solid shaft is 16T over pi d cube. Ang kailangan ko ay yung d. So, d is equal to cube root na kaagad over 16t tapos pi is s. So, substitute all of the values present. So, cube root of everything. So, 16 times 100, di ba? 100 times 1,000 para maging Newton millimeter. Newton millimeter. Okay. And then, pi, ano yung SS natin? That is 50. 50 Newton per millimeter squared. 50 Newton per millimeter squared. Now, you cancel all the same units in Newton lang yung mga cancel dyan kasi aangat yung millimeter squared para maging millimeter cube. So, the answer for this is, so 16,000 times 100 divide by 50 pi. So, the answer is diameter 21.68 mm. Let us check if we got the correct answer for this part 2. Okay. 21.7. So that wraps up yung part 2 natin and we'll continue this with more problems on shafting. Let us take a break.